Is it closed?
Looks like it. Oh, no.
Well, well, look who's here.
Oh, yes, hello there, Mr. Mcleish.
I know who you are. Bert O'Bannon of Bert's Burger City, one of the most successful fast food joints in town, and a close personal friend of the mayor. Pleased to meet you, Mr. O'Bannon. Very pleased.
Right, well, my pleasure too. But the thing is, Mr. Mcleish...
You know, I was just about to close when you called. Second night of the ring cycle, you know.
Yes. No, that's why
But when I heard it was you, I just thought, Leonard, don't be a stick in the mud. You can wait for a man as important and friendly and brilliant as Burger City Bert.
Besides, you ripped your pants. You didn't want to go anyway.
The point is, Mr. O'Bannon, I'm happy to take both your animals.
Yes, well, no, that's great, Mr. Mcleish, but, well, we've changed our minds.
What?
What? Dad, is it really okay?
It's okay with me, if it's okay with your mom.
I already said it was okay. Better than okay. I love this little guy.
But I missed the opera for this. Now I'll never know what happened to Voden.
What changed your minds anyway?
I don't know, just being with him, I guess.
Yeah, the last couple days we got a bit too much dog and cat stimuli.
With the magazines and books.
And the fetching and the slobbering.
But then, when we were alone with them...
And could just look into their eyes.
How could you not love them both?
That's so sweet. Hold me, Mr. Mcleish.
No!
I'm thinking of changing Patch's name. I like Wagster, because he wags all the time.
And I'm gonna name Stripe Mittens, 'cause her feet are like mittens.